Thank you for joining today's webinar on Nlyte DCIM and BMS Better Together. My name is Mike Schmidt, and I'll be talking about the advantages of connecting your data center and facility management systems together. Let's look at some of the trends IT and facility teams are facing as the hybrid digital infrastructure unveils itself, or commonly referred to as the hybrid cloud. There's a tremendous growth of edge computing, be it a micro data center or co-location facility. The need for these is resiliency, low latency, and throughput or bandwidth. That is driving what these edge deployments are consisting of. The trend has been with us for a while, but as transactional heavy computing and IoT communications increase, the extension of facilities to manage these and address these facilities is needed. Also, most recently, the current World Health event has driven unprecedented demand to support users now working remotely. Concerns with these remote locations around the physical and data center security, resilience, and compliance drive the need for efficient facility and IT monitoring and management tools. With more sophisticated data center ecosystems, a holistic approach to capacity and management needs to be put in place. Integrated workflows and deep analytics will ensure workload optimization, controls with deep integration across critical facilities, and IT to applications delivering room-level and multi-data center visibility will deliver an efficient and a comprehensive hybrid digital infrastructure management solution. There are a handful of primary systems we use to manage our data centers and facilities, and hundreds of subsystems. There's always some obvious overlap between services, but that's typically minimal. The major management systems are intended to build out rich feature sets that hopefully help you eliminate the need for hundreds of subsystems. An example, IBM's core data center team was working with over 50 disparate tools before the implementation of Nlyte DCIM. And after they pared it down to 5, which now interoperate with each other. There's a similar functionality between BMS and DCIM systems, as is between ITSM and DCIM. However, each core solution emphasizes its strength based on its primary purpose. And with the best of the breed management solutions, they seamlessly share information to maintain a single source of truth to run the operation from. BMS is a control system installed in buildings that monitors and controls the building's mechanical and electronic equipment, such as ventilation, lighting, power systems, fire systems, and security systems. In addition to controlling the building's internal environment, BS systems are sometimes used for access control, controlling who is allowed in and out of a building, along with other security systems such as closed-circuit television and motion detectors. Fire alarm systems and elevators are also sometimes linked to a BMS system for monitoring. DCIM is the integration of information technology and facility management disciplines to centralize monitoring, management, and provide intelligent capacity planning of a data center's critical systems. DCIM enables a common real-time monitoring and management platform for all interdependent systems across IT and facilities infrastructures. DCIM is used to identify and eliminate source of risk and improve availability of critical IT systems. DCIM maps and identifies interdependencies between facilities and IT infrastructures to alert in gaps in system redundancy, providing dynamic, holistic benchmarks on power consumption and efficiency to measure effectiveness. DCIM collects and reports on important metrics, including energy efficiency and utilization of servers, storage, and staff. An example of this would be how server disk capacity is vastly underutilized and therefore typically running at 20% utilization or less. A DCIM system can help you identify these and improve that performance. DCIM is the aggregator of data center infrastructure integrating with BMS, ITSM, and financial systems. The DCIM acts as the trusted source of truth for these integrated systems to ensure accuracy and currency of data across the entire organization. DCIM centralizes the management of work orders across multiple groups and ticketing systems to track and provide an audit trail of all support tickets. DCIM specifically provides valuable information not available in a building management system as related to the end-to-end power chain mapping, alarming, and alerting from the utility to IT gear, capacity management based on space, power, cooling, and assets, automated facility maintenance, power anomaly and security breach response workflows, mapping of power and cooling chains to identify affected workloads, and auto allocation of IT assets based on available power, thermal, as well as security policies. One of the primary benefits Nlyte DCIM brings when interconnecting a BMS solution is the ability to have end-to-end workflow process. Traditionally, these two tools have had distinct workflow systems, but there are significant benefits from a comprehensive workflow spanning both systems, including automated failure and recovery scenarios, all the way from power systems to applications, accurate and automated provisioning from devices such as new servers, facility, in the case of a workload migration, intelligent end-to-end alarm and alert management, and service requests that span all functions from IT to facilities. Nlyte DCIM, in conjunction with the BMS system, provide multivariate analytics with rich inputs from both systems. These analytics allow for advanced preventive maintenance, such as correlating power chain behavior with server replacement, advanced predictive to improve predictions based on full stack information, essentially from the end user to application behavior to facility, and even to externalities such as weather, seismic, or utility data. And workload optimization can be achieved by using application behavior and anticipated usage, optimizing thermal and facility management, and security anomaly detection, essentially from the parking lot to the application. The combination of Nlyte DCIM and BMS solutions can provide common end-to-end visualization that incorporates buildings, rooms, critical facilities, racks, PDUs, IT equipment within racks, and individual workloads, all with the benefits of cohesive and consistent terminology and units of measure, a holistic management and accurate reporting, which ultimately provides easier to use systems. Edge data centers are growing nearly 30% year over year to meet the demands of resiliency, low latency, and throughput required of the high transactional applications and the IoT devices. Edge data centers drive unique BMS and DCIM requirements, including remote management visibility, automated intelligent operations, and the need for flexible, quick deployments. And as certain facilities become automated and dark, their requirements for remoteness are holistic alarm and alert management, whether originating from a BMS or a DCIM system, or holistic remote visibility and management, incorporating both BMS and DCIM information. The last point I will address is the goal of connecting Nlyte DCIM with BMS systems is to achieve complete and accurate capacity management across both systems. This will deliver accurate data needed for IT systems and application commissioning and decommissioning, scheduled maintenance to avoid unnecessary disruptions, and end-to-end cost per workload calculations. When DCIM inventories controls are integrated with BMS, they deliver automatic capacity adjustments for power and thermal changes and automatically feed into the DCIM system for workload optimization. If you already have a building maintenance system and a data center infrastructure management in place, Take advantage of connecting the two to enrich your hybrid cloud infrastructure. If you are still in consideration for one, the other, or both, realize that together you will get a holistic view of IT systems, facilities, and applications. Together they will deliver data center aware workloads and information regarding application behavior such as peak processing cycles, so you can efficiently incorporate that data into facilities management. As rich inputs deliver optimal outcomes, consider where this richness can combine analytics with to provide you unique insight, such as reactive versus proactive maintenance, or consider and define new benchmarks beyond PUE. And most of all, let analytics help you embrace the hybrid digital infrastructure, data center to colocation, to edge, and to the public cloud. Thank you for your time. We have a rich set of resources for you on our website at www.nlyte.com, or feel free to reach out directly at any time to info@nlyte.com.